How to manage modules in Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged in to Drupal. Now let's learn how to manage modules. Modules are plugins that extend Drupal's core functionality. You can add modules from blogs, search, comments, contact forms, forums, and more. Click the Administer link. Scroll down. Then click the Modules link here. This is the module's main page. Let's use the Search module. Select it here. Then click Save Configuration. That's it! The Search module has been activated, as we can see here. We can return to this page at any time to activate, deactivate, or uninstall modules. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage modules in Drupal.